Assalamualaikum. I am Sawera and I again appear in this video. In this video, I tell you about this brief summary of the periodic table, not too tough but very easily and very simple manner. In the previous video, I tell you about the product history about the manual rise, utopia and new land. In this video, I tell you a simple and easily methods of periodic table understand. So here you notice there are 18 period group the period in the periodic tables and 18 group in the periodic table you're looking here and 7 period in the periodic table. Understand? The first here started, that is for alkali matter. Understand? That is alkali matter and that are alkaline metals, and this is group 1a element and this is group 2a element. Here the group A and here the subgroup A. Understand? And these are all the transitions of matter. Understand? These are all transition matter. Mean to say transition means changing matter. They continue to change the valency, they continue to change the positions, and oxidation state is variable. Understand? In transition matter, we noted here the lanthanide series in having the atomic number of 57. This lanthanide series having a lot again element. These element called inner transition matter. Understand? You counting the numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You to see the lanthanide series have 14 elements. Understand? Similarly, here the 6 period have lanthanide series and the 7 period have the actinide series. These are succinate transition matter, and here there are 14 again elements. Understand? You look at atomic number 57 and 50 or 59 and again started and again begins to form here. Understand? And you also looking this atomic number 89 and this atomic number started from this and again from the same manner. So the 180th element of the periodic table. Understand? You're looking here. The first one, alkali matters. These is called the having one electron in the valence shell, and this is called X block element. Mean to say the valence electron having involving in the S orbital. S orbital means a spherical orbital. Understand? And alkaline earth matter belonging to the two group of the A and having two period and the present in the same group belonging to the S orbital. I mean to say the S block element. These two groups are called the S block element. These are called the D block element. Understand? These middle transition matter and these inner transition matter are called the F block element, means the valence electron will F orbital, and this are called the P block element, means the valence electron will P orbital. Understand? This is called alkali matter, this is called the alkaline matter, this is called transition matter, and this is called non-matters, and this means to say the non-matter, and they are mediocre between the matter and non-matter. Understand? This period 13 group of the period elements tank, these are between the metals and non-metal. So there are some metallic and some non-metal, and this is totally non-metal, and here the brownish color indicate the metal element, some are metal and some are non-metal. Understand? But they have some metallic character. Understand? The two elements, means the mercury and the cesium, are the totally in a liquid manner. Understand? And here are the halogens family. Halogen. Understand? And here the noble gas family. Noble gas, and it is only the noble gas is present in solid state, and this is the lightest noble gases, and this is called the very heavier noble gases. When we move on down the probe and the atomic number increases, the decrease atomic masses increases. Sorry, atomic number increases from left to right, and down the atomic mass increases. The noble gases become heavier. Understand? So, noble gas when heavier, and the size due to increase the size. So when we move from left to right, atomic number increases. Down the road, atomic size increases. Due to decrease number of atomic number of electron increases, number of proton also increases. As a result, the energy to require to remove the electron from the valence is also very large. Understand? So due to increased number of electron protons, the ionization energy also increases. Understand? Ionization energy is basically the energy required to remove the electron from isolated gas state. So to decrease size, count the probe. Mean to say they had a 7 probe. It is the first 7 period in the periodic table, 18 probe in the periodic table. The first period contained only 2 elements, and the second period contained 8 elements, and they also contain 8 elements, and this contained 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Similarly 18, and this is contained 32, means to say 18 plus 14, 32, and similarly the 7th period and 6th period contain 32 elements. Understand? So when we move from down the probe, the atomic size increases. Due to decreased atomic size, the energy required to remove the electron is very small. So down the probe, the ionization energy start decreases. Understand? The hydrogens had a francium. Hydrogen is smaller size. It has some greater energy to remove ionization energy, but as compared to this, the smaller ionization energy due to decreases size. When size increases, the valence electron further from the nucleus, and the hold of nuclear valence electron decreases. As a result, energy required to remove is small. So here the brief summary means the 18 group in the periodic table and 7 period in the periodic table. 1 period contain 2 elements, second 8, third 8, and 4th period contain 18, and similarly 5 and 4 contain 18 elements, 6 and 7 contain 32 elements. And these are called equivalent series and no transition matter. Transition, why does this matter called transition? Because they have variable valence. So hope you understand. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel, and good.